Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Cole Elementary School in Clovis, California, part of the Clovis Unified School District. And this is the home of the Bulldogs as well. But such an honor to be able to share my heart for a first time today, earlier this morning, to grades K through 6 in 2 separate assemblies, focusing on diversity, our differences, and the need for human kindness. But we also tied it into Red Ribbon Week here at the school. And they have a lot of these phrases all across campus. You know, Cole says no to drugs, and you can see that there's a lot of red ribbons tied everywhere across the fence behind me, but just all throughout their school community. And you know, the way that this relates to all of us is that yes, we have to be kind to our bodies and stay drug-free, but we also have to not only love ourselves, but be able to show that love to others and that kindness to others by how we treat them. That it's, you know, saying no to drugs and having that drug-free life, but it's also saying no to violence, right? And to, you know, being mean, to bullying, to hurting other people's hearts, that we're making healthy choices, right? In every area, every aspect of our lives. And now pull it back to the main focus being on diversity, that we have to be able to respect, you know, not only our own diversity, but other people around us too, and their differences, right? So this could be on the outside, how we're born, how we talk, how we see, how we learn, our skin color, the languages that we speak, the foods that we eat, the clothes that we wear, right? We have to honor everything on the outside, but also what's on the inside, our talents, our gifts, our abilities, what we're good at, right? All those things we have to really appreciate both on the outside and on the inside. And like the shirt that I wear for this assembly shows, right, we have this peace sign. My friend and I designed this a few years ago, but there's a peace sign inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin, right? It starts in all of our hearts. And there's 2 people in this design, because showing that kindness is not just about us, right? Showing that kindness to ourselves, but to others too. And it's so important that we do this, because someone that we say a kind word to or do a kind action towards, if there's anybody in earshot or eyesight of that word or action, right, it may positively affect their heart too, maybe forever, right? Them just hearing that word, seeing that kind action might start to make them smile, right? And start to change their heart. And so through a series of inspirational videos, some heartfelt stories, some motivational music, that was really what I was trying to reinforce throughout today's assemblies, is this need for human kindness, but that we also know the power of our actions, right? We want to remember someone that's showing kind acts, doing kind things, and those are the people that we're going to want to really think about in our hearts. You know, we all closed our eyes, pointed to ourselves. 9 out of 10 people usually point right here, right, to their heart, because that's what people want to remember you for, right? And are you doing things today, you know, acts of kindness, acts of love, staying drug-free, all those things that people want to remember you for? We also talked about how there's a huge need to show unconditional love, that love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us, shorter than us, wider than us, skinnier than us, you know, wears glasses or doesn't, is in a wheelchair or not, different skin color or not, that we can still accept everyone, right? That we have to choose kind, we have to be kind, and in a world where you can be anything, let's definitely be kind, right? So many students come up to me and say, Mr. Peace, you know, I'm kind to everybody. I say, that's great. And they say that, Mr. Peace, I was born kind. And I kind of have to laugh a little bit, but really all of us are born kind. We're all born nice. We're all born not to hate, not to be violent, not to be mean, not to bully, not to tease. We have to learn all those things, but we can unlearn them too, and start to focus on not only appreciating our own diversity and that of others, but this too. Every one of us on the palm of our hands, with the lines of our hand, we have at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here with washable marker, but we all have the letter M on our hands, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it, and this M stands for miracle. Upside down, W stands for worthy, meaning that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And if we can buy into this belief, right, then we can go start to change this world, heal this world, and start to lift others up even higher than ourselves, right? That we rise by lifting others. And it starts with, again, looking in the mirror, knowing that we're worth everything, knowing that we're beautiful just the way we are, and that if we were all the same, then this world would be boring, right? Diversity is all about being different. It's about our differences. It's about honoring those, respecting those, and seeing how important it is that we value those around us, because we grow by embracing diversity, right? If we choose that, we will definitely continue to grow as human beings, learn more, and have that type of wisdom that we can't just learn always in the classroom or in books, but we learn from the people around us, right? And so just to think about that and to always keep that in mind and in our hearts is really what I tried to push onto everyone else's heart today. So thank you guys so much for touching my heart. Have a great rest of the school year. Keep shining your light and your love. Hope to see you again soon. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.